How much you pay for this?
Enough.
You don't ask how much your gifts. How rude.
In this case. This house does not look that great. The paint on the front is particularly gruesome looking.
Your man bought you a house for your birthday, okay?
Yeah, that's a mess. I've never looked at a house and thought the curb appeal looked gruesome, but I definitely get that.
So this house is 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, 900 square feet. Bought it for $6,000.
Cool.
And of course, our other houses are just down the block, so we should have some really good comps.
It's brick, so that's a win. It's not gonna fall apart. The roof isn't completely collapsed.
What a great birthday present!
I hope it's a good one.
Me too.
Me three.
I haven't been inside of it.
All right, I'm ready.
Okay, I'll keep the cake safe.
Evan is not known for his spontaneity at all, so this makes it all the more special. Yeah, that's a mess.
Yeah.
But it's gonna be great, I can tell, yay.
Yeah. I must have lost my mind. I always feel like I'm slowly becoming Keith as the years progress. It's not the other way around, unfortunately.
Excuse me.
So I'm slowly becoming Keith, and now I am randomly buying houses on the internet late at night. So this is what you've done to me. Yay, happy birthday.
Yay.
Oh, knock hard like the police.
Anybody home?
If someone opened this door,
That would be terrifying,
it
actually.
would be terrifying.
Knock hard like
Okay,
the police. I love
after
it.
you. Wait, no, let Keith go first. It's his birthday.
This is my present. Ooh, there's some holes.
Water damage is a little
A lot
intense.
of water damage.
Keith, I don't like your birthday present after all. It's gross.
Keith, these are nice new windows. We'll be able to save money on windows.
Yeah.
Trying to justify my purchase.
Yes, I see it.
No windows needed in this room. Good job, Evan.
Thank you.
The kitchen is very nice. This is massive. I would tear this wall out, open it all up. This is great. I love this.
All right, good job.
Good job.
Oh, it's okay, yes. Good job, good job. Oh my goodness, good job. I didn't get a lot of praise when I bought stuff, you know, kind of like willy-nilly sight unseen.
You've got plenty of praise.
I don't remember those days. But anyway, onward.
All right, guys, the bathroom.
Yikes.
What?
Oh.
Oh, man. Ooh. All right, well, I don't want to do pink. I'll say that.
Okay, bedroom number 1.
This is what I get for trying to be spontaneous.
Oh, my
I don't know why
goodness.
I ever tried.
You know what? I remember one time we bought a house that didn't have a back wall, right? And I got yelled at a lot. Everybody was like, what'd you do?
The wall is missing, or someone just chopped off the back of the house?
Oh, Keith. Keith, why did you buy this?
Keith, why did you do that? What are you doing? Now look at Evan.
I like the bedroom size, though. It's pretty nice.
Oh, dear. Have you seen this room? Doesn't that look fun?
Oh, my goodness.
It's not great. It's a pretty big mess, but we'll fix it. Realistically, what do you think it's gonna take to actually do this?
I think we should allow for up to 85 for the reno. So we're gonna rely on you to be able to sell it for 110.
That is a lot of pressure.
Yes.
I mean, but it is brick.
Yeah.
You're very neutral to both colleges, highway. I feel like 110 is possible.
Maybe even 115 or 114.
Okay, thanks,
All
Evan.
right.
Keep applying the pressure.
You gotta make this a good purchase. At this point in time, we've seen so many of these houses. I would say it's a 7 out of 10,
A 7?
maybe? Maybe a little bit better.
There's a lot of holes, and it's a mess.
It's got good bones, though.
except for the backbones. Not that great. Well, happy birthday to me.
Yay!
Yay! Did you keep the gift receipt?
Wow. How bad?
Very bad. Oh my god. Ah, really scary. Wow. I've been wanting to do a house to kind of, I don't know if honor is the right word since you're still alive, but to honor Evan. So
I like this idea.
and it seems like a nice thing to do with my birthday present. So I was thinking of making it the physics house.
Everything is just coming apart, like, without even having to do anything.
When I first met Evan, he was finishing up his PhD in physics.
Which apparently was an important qualification for renovating houses with Keith.
It's a complicated job. I needed somebody who could keep up with me.
Did you just, like, remove that without even hitting it?
Very strong. There you go.
What is the design style of the physics house?
Floating furniture. Everything's floating. Floating shelves, floating furniture.
Seems like anti-physics.
It sounds like something you'd say. For the physics house, I'm imagining sleek, modern lines, metal surfaces, and floating furniture. Think futuristic, think atoms, think spaceflight.
There is a ton of work to do on this house. Everything is rotted out. The roof, the walls, the floor.
All right, the beam is ready. This is gonna be so nice. Set it in there, and then just bang it in. Yes, right there. Yay, great work.
So remove these. Nice. Remove that.
Yeah, that looks really sharp. Good job.
Beam in.
Yay! I feel like we just doubled the size of the house. Do I look like a spaceman? Take me to your leader.
Today we're at the physics house and we are trying to get rid of that nasty red paint on the front of the house. We tested for lead and luckily for us, there's no lead, which means that we can sandblast it off.
All right, ready? Yep. All right, turn me on.
That is not nearly strong enough. Something's not right.
The pressure's not right. Is there a regulator on the bottom?
No.
Oh, yeah, there is. That's what it needs.
Doesn't seem to be working very fast.
Yeah, I don't think this is gonna work. Just hear me out.
You want to paint the house now?
I mean, there's no option.
This whole thing with the front of the house is now turning into a little bit of an annoyance for not just the budget, but also aesthetically, because we did really like that brick.
And the timeline is also of concern where now we have an entire exterior to do suddenly. Just one impossible feat after another.
It'll be okay.
Much like your PhD in physics. This is challenging us to my max. Okay, I'm going to start on the tile wall.
Is it sinking?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Is it gonna hold?
I don't know. Gravity is having a strong effect on my tiles on the living room wall. They're kind of heavy and they've got some mass to them, so they keep sliding down. I keep having to go back and shuffle all my tiles. It's like playing Tetris in real life. It's kind of a nightmare.
Shoot.
Physics is definitely working against me here. There's a lot to do before the open house, I must admit. I keep forgetting this was a birthday present because it's like a nightmare at this point. Yeah. And nobody would wish this gift on anyone.
Not the best gift ever.
Yeah, maybe think about that in the future.
Maybe we should just do a trip next time or something.
Yeah. Here, go at the bottom where it's...
Hi.
Hello? I always feel like Shay catches this at that one, like, you know when you're watching a movie with your parents and the sex scene comes on?
That's the Shay check-in?
That's the Shay check-in. I'm like mid-cabinet hold and, you know, like tiles falling off the wall and it just looks like a total wreck. And then she's like, yeah.
Hi, boys.
What's this?
It's craters.
Craters, yeah.
Craters.
Moon craters.
I see it. This is very physicsy.
All right, so the bathroom is a bit of an adventure.
Ooh, this is dramatic. This is so bold. Will you have a black toilet?
Yep.
I mean, just the way the sunlight hits that tile. Mama live, mama live. And then what about the kitchen?
Trying to finish the cabinets.
Okay.
It's a nice color.
I like it. It's so different. What color will the countertops be?
They're brushed metal. So it look like
a
stainless.
commercial restaurant kind of.
And a waterfall countertop.
With the stainless? Oh, that's gonna be sweet.
It's really hard, and I don't know. I still don't know if it's gonna work. Yeah, I decided to pile it on with the waterfall. Make it as difficult as humanly possible. It's sitting at our shop right now, and we're hoping that tomorrow it'll work.
I hope it works tomorrow too, because we have very little time.
I love this porch.
I think this is lined up right. Yeah, the length is right.
Yeah, we're gonna have to shim it on this end because
Do you like the look with the black?
I love it. I mean, I can't see it all yet, but I love it. It was aggressive in its scope, I must admit. But if we can pull off this look, it'll be extremely effective and something that we've never done before. Plus, buyers in this market are not seeing these type of finishes. Like, this is next level stuff. Ah, it's so pretty. Yeah, it's gonna look so sharp with that nice wood edge. That'll be really beautiful. The look of the physics house definitely is coming together exactly as I had pictured. Lots of fun textures, lots of modern details. All right, what else is left up in here? All right, we're almost done. What else is lacking now, Evan? Is it just staging?
Is that chic, Keith, or is that just funny?
Funny.
Okay.
It's not chic. We're in the home stretch of the physics house now. The open house is in 24 hours, and as usual, we have a lot of finish up here at the last minute. All right, take this away.
Yep.
Oh my gosh. That is sweet looking. I am immensely proud of this.
Hi, guys.
Hi.
Hello.
Welcome to the open house. He's a regifter.
I'm a regifter. But it's a much better gift now than it was.
We bought this house for $6,000. It's 900 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 1 bath. We spent $70,000 on the reno, and we are listing it for $115,000.
Welcome, guys. What do you think of this house? Keith and Evan never cease to amaze me. That house looks like night and day.
Oh my goodness, this is beautiful.
The color combination really pops, and I like the shingles up there.
Oh, look at the color of the rain spout there. Look at that.
Wow,
Yeah, copper.
Copper gutters, yep.
that's a great touch.
I like the size of the porch, good sized porch.
I wouldn't expect that for a house this size. And it's great. You can drink your coffee in the morning and enjoy the summer breeze. I love it.
All right, well, I'm excited to show you the inside if you like all that.
Yes.
Ready.
All right, let's do it.
Welcome. Come on in.
Whoa.
Wow. It's so cute. Wow. This is gorgeous.
This is cool.
This space, I would not imagine from outside that this space would be able to do so much.
The design theme for this home is physics. So you'll see a lot of shapes and angles and some science stuff going on around here.
Lunar surface.
Impact.
This is unique as well.
Thank you. Counterweighted lamp. It has to be in perfect balance. Fun things when you start looking at what goes into design on things, a lot of physics, actually. It's remarkable how much.
You know, you don't see a house that has artwork like this on the wall, right? You can't go out and buy this.
This wall is my favorite, absolutely my favorite part.
So unique, right?
Yes.
The thing I like the most is the open concept. We like to entertain, so I like to be able to see everybody when I'm in the kitchen cooking.
This is the kitchen. We blew out the wall here, opened everything up, and did all new cabinets, very sleek appliances, new backsplash, lighting, everything's brand new.
Oh my God, what did they do to the countertops? I love it.
So it's brushed aluminum to give like a stainless steel look to it.
Wow.
Wow. Aluminum look. I love it. And like the waterfall type of thing there. This is very nice.
And look at the detail on the cabinets. It matches the chairs.
Yes.
Oh, and the table.
Yeah.
That looks like that was custom made for the kitchen.
Was custom made for the kitchen.
Oh, this is nice, very
You actually
nice.
made this?
I did.
Wow.
This is the largest bedroom of the two.
Wow. I love it.
This is a nice size room.
I agree.
Very nice.
Oh, this is beautiful. This is a great space.
You have a gravity-defying bed.
It's
Floating. Oh my goodness.
The bed floats?
Oh, wow, I didn't even know this.
Yep, it's floating.
How is it floating?
It's magic
Physics.
or physics.
So this is bedroom number 2.
Oh my God.
Fun little office work area.
Oh, I love this. Look at this. This is just so nice.
Oh, wow. Well, the theme is real in this room. This desk is amazing. Is this vintage?
It is.
It does actually feel like a desk that you would find in like an office in the physics department.
A little office sort of school room now, but of course you could turn it into a bedroom.
You could easily fit a queen or full-size bed in
Right,
here.
right.
This is beautiful.
Okay. Check out this bathroom, guys.
Ooh, a dark bathroom. Oh, sexy. I like it.
I like the dark theme in here.
It's a very different bathroom for us. The rest of the house is so light. I just thought it would be fun to take this to a new level of darkness, play off the idea of a black hole.
Even though it's darker colors, it still feels spacious.
Oh, this is nice. Like a floating sink here.
Yeah.
Black toilet.
Oh, I love it.
In the end, we got our black toilet, but I did not get my black tub. The black tub was shockingly expensive, and the timeline would not have allowed for it. Still an extremely effective bathroom. I could not be more thrilled with how it looks. It's just really chic and cool.
Everywhere you look, there's something special.